Friends, welcome to Juani's garden. My name is Juani. Friends, today it is late November. It's getting pretty cold, and here I've been growing potatoes. I am going to do a little harvest. Hopefully I do have some. In the spring I planted some as well, but we had a very small harvest. Also, look at this, my moringa tree. So look at me and look at my tree. I'm short, yes, but my tree, look how much taller it is from me. This moringa tree is only a few months old, from seed, planted from seed, and look how tall it is. I absolutely love my moringa tree. Okay guys, let's do some harvest. See them here. Oh no, look at this. Oh my goodness. Well, not good. Really not good. I can't believe it. Look at the size. Let me see. Tiny. Well, a little bit bigger, but still very small. You see that little one? Wow. There's one. We can't even make a meal with these. Oh, little cluster here. Friends, quite disappointing. This is my fall potato harvest. Probably not even a quarter pound, but we'll see. I have another, follow me. So I'm hoping that from this potato patch, I will harvest a decent amount of potatoes. I planted these after I planted these, and for some reason, I don't know why. Gosh, this is my second try, and really, I call this a failure. Okay. Oh! Friends, look! My other side. Look at these beauties. Oh, hey. That's a good one. Oh, wow. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. There's another one. Beautiful. Another beauty. Oh my God. Oh, good one. Good one, good one. Ah. I poked it with the frozen. Whoa. Look at these beauties. Okay. Friends, not a total failure considering that I didn't think I was going to get any. In the spring, I had a pretty big failure. And I just want to thank Clive's Conundrum because they were a big inspiration for me growing potatoes. They had this fabulous contest going on during the summer and until about November. So their potato contest lasted a long time, and every time I saw their potato production, I was enthused and motivated, and so I wanted to give it a second try. This is my second try, and even though it's not huge, but look, I do have edible size potatoes. They look healthy. They look beautiful. So Jason and Colleen from Clive's Conundrum, thank you so much for the inspiration. I'm not giving up. Even though it's not a lot, I'm going to keep on trying. Thanks for visiting the channel. Have a good day, y'all.